on my stain. So many skid marks all over my brain. Oh, hell yeah. Man, if you interested in history and not necessarily which one, but I think I only sent a couple thoughts to students and conscious people I never even learned about. I figure if a couple of food type away, the brain stronger, last longer. If you really hit your vein out of my face, and I'm still working on my theory. So sorry if I am a little cheated, I'm writing it out as I go. Just in case you know, cap, pop, internet, LOL, my thing, hey, but yeah, it's an incredible and highly creditable thing he's saying here. And now, what how is this? Indo, Indio to Indio. Does it follow the true note? It makes sense to me, and it backs up who we are in history as a collective group of people and authenticate to misunderstood. Highly valued society's a man, but it points to a spiritual actor because geography that ain't on the map. No, not if they are out in early or late, middle of the day, I can't say. The thing is to associate the whole with us all out. Still, he was the messenger of the beginning and the end, but not the trigger puller. He was also the informant when life began, but he didn't knock up anyone, male or female. Well, hell, actually it appears more like that. He knocked up everybody and everything over here and kinda had his side clean and healthy. Consider us all completely educated in healthcare, even agreeing to a strong practice of considering the woman to own everything, thus having a greater contract with the banks of the ocean and rivers and whoever earning money. But then here comes the bull. They just had to pretend that the earth doesn't keep spinning, regardless of when that bull comes tumbling in. Both families of the world, all of the bulls. There are a few of us who are Condorians. Squawk. Here comes that big old bull from the sky, coming down to piss in your eye. Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? Fucking who you gonna call? These Ghostbusters all snowballs and kids too. Calling for the word of the bird. He comes flying down and he'll poop on you and him now. Pooping on everything. No motherfucking that Condor don't sing. Not in the note that you can hear. No squawking in your ear. But you feel the breeze coming down on your fucking head when he flaps and winks and says, motherfucker, why you think nobody sees any birds? What boots that run into? Keep our hoes so good. Oh, they wanna fucking poop on your head. The bull of heaven, coming down the shit in your eye. Bull of heaven, motherfucking poop in your pie. The buffalo deer, the buffalo, he's ringing in your ear. Listen to the past, that buffalo, some of the buffalo coming up fast. He's gonna fucking run over you, he's gonna poop on you. Buffalo chip, oh chip, buffalo chip on your head and your hip. Buffalo chip in your eye, buffalo pie down your throat, get out, go.